In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can be able to solve simultaneous equations. And there are three methods that you can be able to use. Method number one is elimination method. I'll be able to show you how to use substitution method. And lastly, in this video, we shall be able to know how we can be able to use graphs to solve simultaneous equation. So stick to the end such that you can be able to know what you're supposed to do when given such kind of questions. We jump direct and solve this question. We have 2x plus 3y equals to 7 as equation 1. Equation 2 is 5x plus 6y equals, first I'll expect you to come and include these brackets. They are very important. The next step, if you decide, you can either decide to eliminate x or y. X. So you come and check the number that is in front of this x, you multiply it in the second equation, and the number that is in this x, you multiply it in the first equation. Now the next step I may expect you to do is to open the brackets. Now opening this bracket, we shall have 5 times 2x, we shall have 10x. 5 times 3y, we shall have plus 15y. That is equals to 5 times 7, that will be 35. Also we shall expand this, and 2 times 5x, that will be 10x plus 2 times 6y, that will give us 12y equals to 2 times 16, that will be 32. Now after we've done this, you can be able to see that we have 10x, 10x. If we can be able to subtract the two equations, this will be 0. So we have eliminated x. I want us to subtract these two equations. 10x minus 10x, this will run to 0, plus 15y minus 12y, that will be 3y, should be equal to 35 minus 32, that this will give us 3. So you can see we have remained with 3y equals to 3. Then we can divide by 3 both sides, divide by 3. Therefore our y in this case is 1, because this will cancel and this will cancel with this, and our answer will be 1. Next we need to find the value of x. We'll do that by going to the original equation. Shall go to the original. We can use the first equation here, 2x plus 3y equals to 7 plus 3. Now instead of y, instead of this y, we are going to replace it with 1. So that will be in bracket 1, and that will be equal to 7. We can now expand this, and that will be 2x plus 3, because 3 times 1 is 3, equals to 7. Next, we can take this on the other side of the equal sign. Remember, it's positive, it will turn to be negative, so we shall have 2x equals to 7 minus 3. Always be very, very careful with the negative signs. And this will be 2x equals to 4 divided by 2 divided by 2, and of 2 and 2 will cancel out, this will cancel with this, so we shall remain with 2 cancel with this twice, and our answer will be 2. So you can see this is the value of x, and y equals to 1 is the value of y. We have solved the two simultaneous equations. Next, we need to use substitution method to solve these simultaneous equations. Now, I want us to using x plus 3y. We need to write these equations. 3y equals to 11, 4x minus 7y equals to 6. Using x plus 3y equals to 11, by taking this number on the other side of the equal sign, we can be able to write this equation as x equals to 11 minus 3y, and also remember to include those brackets there. We need to substitute this x in the second equation, where we have x, like for instance here, we are going to replace that x with everything that we have here. Now we can be able to write our equation as 4 in bracket 11 minus 3y minus 7y equals to 6. What we need to do is to open the bracket. 4 times 11, that will be 44, minus 4 times 3y, that will be 12y, minus this 7y must give us 6. This is 44 minus 19y, which is equals to 6. Now we need to take 44 on the other side of the equal sign, and we shall remain with minus 19y equals to 6 minus 44. So if we work out this, 19y equals to negative 38. So next what we need to do is to divide by negative 19 so as to remain with y. Divide by negative 19. This and this will cancel out if this one goes 2 times. Therefore y will be equal to 2. So if we need to find the value of x, what we need to do, remember x equals to 11 minus 3y. We had obtained that. So x equals to 11 minus 3y. So but y is equivalent to 2, so therefore our x will be equal to 11 minus 3 into 2, and that will be equal to 11 minus 6, and our answer will be equal to 5. So the solution for these equations is that x equals to 5 and y is equal to 2.